Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, which is the Desi Girl in Dubai. Firstly, if you're a new follower and if you've recently joined my YouTube family, welcome to the channel. And to all of you, I am Sharmila Kalekar, and I have started my own YouTube channel where I show you Dubai through my eyes as a Mumbai girl. आज का दिन क्या है? What is today's vlog going to be about? Well, to be very honest, as I had previously also mentioned, I am a working professional. So I also have my own work, office work that needs to be done. So of course, I'm going to log in now in the next half an hour. And I need to get ready because today is one of those days, जैसे घर में नहीं बैठना है, कैफ़े जाना है, उधर जाके अच्छा अच्छा तैयार होके मोटिवेट होके बैठना है और काम करना है. Because when you're working from home and you're in the same setup all by yourself, you would tend to get a little bit bored or bogged down. So I'm not going to let that happen. I am going to get ready, and this is usually what I do in a week. 1 week, I in a week, one day I do make it a point to go in that cafe. This cafe is actually Pratik and my favorite cafe. It's called as the. And let me know यार तुम्हारे इधर क्या सीन है. How is the climate? Because the climate here in Dubai is crazy. It's becoming hotter and hotter. And सब लोग यही बोल रहे हैं कि भाई साहब यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाली है. So apparently July, August and September is going to be, it's like the peak season for the heat. But nevertheless, no complaints because we are indoors and in AC, so nahi lagti hai वैसे गर्मी. But I have to mention this to you all, that whoever think okay Dubai is like a very fancy place and everything, yes, there is one side of Dubai, but the other side of Dubai, which not many people would know or would know, is that in Dubai there are a lot of laborers who actually come from different nationalities and who are working here. They are in the construction field, actually what the huge towers, the huge buildings you see, ये कौन करता है भाई साहब? ये सब हमारी एशियन नेशनैलिटी के ही लोग करते हैं, and they come here and in that heat, guys, they do it. So huge respect, immense respect for them, because they do that without complaint, no matter कितनी गर्मी हो. Like if you step out यहाँ पे बाहर, आपको इतनी गर्मी लगेगी, you might not even want to stand, but for them to work throughout the day, it's incredible. And sometimes the temperatures are hitting to up to 50, and many a times we are not aware about that, but yeah, this is how it is. This is the other side of Dubai. And hello, I am back. मस्त तैयार हो गई हूँ मैं, and I have done all the जो भी छोटा मोटा काम था, I have finished it. Now I'm heading to the cafe as I have to rush, I have to go and I have to start my work. Guys, see you, catch you in a bit. So yes, I'm going, carrying my water because of course, as I mentioned, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है दुबई में. And this is our passage. Of course, it's very nice. I'm just going around, and yes, this is our community, guys. As I said, there's quite greenery, and I'll maybe show you and take you through. थोड़ा odd लगता है to be honest starting में, but I think आदत हो जाएगी ना. I don't know how people do it now, but I'm going to try. We're going to learn, guys, and we're going to learn together.
Discovery?
Yes. If you could just put Aurum Cafe, it will come in. So finally in the cab, and most of the cabs here, guys, you will see some really good cars that are actually cabs, जैसे Toyota Camry, or you'll have Innova, and sometimes even Lexus के भी taxis होते हैं, and then you also have कौन से वाले भैया अच्छे वाले Tesla. Yes, Tesla के भी cabs होते हैं, guys. वो आपको दुबई में ही दिखेंगे. आई डोंट नो दूसरी जगह पे दूसरे कंट्रीज़ में वैसे होते हैं कि नहीं, बट टेस्ला के भी कैब्स होते हैं. सो वी एक्चुअली सैट इन अ टेस्ला कैब मेनी अ टाइम्स. द फील इज़ गुड, बट एट द एंड यार कार तो कार ही है, काम तो एक ही करता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. In case if you all are curious to know, no, Pratik and I, we don't know driving. I know it could be a shame, but yes, हमें नहीं आता है. I am learning driving. I've got enrolled. मेरा 50% हो गया है and remaining 50% is left. So I am done with my theory. I've done with my practice test. अभी जो बचे हैं practice classes I've done. अभी जो बचा है वो है internal test and the RTA. I'm going to quickly give you a sneak peek of what the outside in. So where I'm going, it's in Discovery itself. It's a huge community and it's just maybe 4 minutes away from my home, but of course गर्मी बहुत है तो you cannot really walk in this heat. With cab it will just take me 4 or 5 minutes to reach the cafe, and I'm going to sit there and I'm going to finish my work. I have to log in and I have to get back, and I will show you. And I'll take you around. So Discovery में more or less आपको ऐसे ही communities दिखेंगे. It's very beautiful, guys. I mean, no doubt. And it actually is a bit homely because ज़्यादा expats, Indian community बहुत ज़्यादा रहते. That's the metro station, guys. This is the Discovery Gardens. Metro stations बाहर से in Dubai सब ऐसे ही दिखते हैं. I'm just going to give you, yeah, see the golden thing like a boat. That's the metro station, and this is the Discovery Gardens metro station. And where we are going is so this is where we are going. Actually that place that you can see with the umbrella, what do you say, the shelter is where we are going. Please guys, excuse me, I would fall short of all the vocabularies because it's, as I said, you know, I'm not an experienced vlogger, so थोड़ा time लगेगा यार, समझ लेना आप लोग भावनाओं को मेरी. And that's Tim Hortons. This is where we are going. I'm not going to Tim Hortons. We are going here, Aurum Cafe. This is also a very cute cafe, Traum, but I like the vibe for Aurum. I think it's just too good, and I'm going to take you through. Just going to come sit here. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Hi. This is where we are. This is my usual table. Can you just help me with the Wi-Fi? Connected. It's connected? I think so. Yeah, sure. There would be the button. Okay, fine. Thank you. Guys, I am back. अभी जस्ट मेरा 1-2 कॉल्स ख़त्म हो गए and it was crazy and I just finished my emails. अभी मैंने मेरे लिए कॉफ़ी मंगाया. I don't feel like eating anything आज, so I'm just going to be good. I'm just going to have my coffee, be a good girl, and this is without sugar. So how do I like my coffee? Extra espresso shot. So let me know if you all are coffee lovers. If yes, how do you like your coffees? So this is where I am, and usually, you know, I like to come here, I like to sit and I just like to finish my work, which I am going to do. I have still a lot because being in the education industry, it's crazy right now, you know, जो market यहाँ पे चल रहा है, and especially with the GCC market, because I am, you know, working for a university, and then, you know, to help them build the market. With the recruitment for the September 2026 intake, it's crazy. So but I like it, and of course with the whole situation, with everything, with war, you know, the damage was done because Feb, March, April, May are the months where we can do the max in terms of recruitment. Now that the war has thankfully got over, and we would hope, हम यही होप करेंगे ये फाइनली ख़त्म हो गया हो, but I think हो गया है, but you know, which is why now again it's opening. So now again the whole you know, madness starts, and then I have my travels planned again in September, so it's going to be even more crazy. Let's see how it goes, but with you all, of course, I'm more than happy to share this journey. I'm going to show you coffee ka taste kaisa hai. 1 second, let me do like a review at Aurum Cafe. It's very good. So इफ़ यू नो मी, अगर तुम लोग मुझे जानते हो, मेरे जो दोस्त हैं, दे वुड नो कि मेरी कॉफ़ी बहुत ही कड़वी होती है. सो माई वेरी गुड का डेफिनेशन विल बी डिफरेंट देन योर वेरी गुड का डेफिनेशन. पहले मुझे स्टारबक्स की बहुत पसंद आती थी, यू नो, द मोका फ्रैपेचिनो, बट इट इज़ वेरी स्वीट. थोड़ा हेल्थ कॉन्शियस होने लगे विद टाइम एंड विद एवरीथिंग. बहुत काम करके आई एम फाइनली बैक. ऐसा लग रहा था बहुत टाइम के बाद मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर लिया. बट यस, अभी यहाँ से निकलने का टाइम हो गया है, बिकॉज पैसा बहुत अच्छे से वसूल कर लिया. पूरा दिन मैं यहाँ पे बैठी थी. आई वॉज फिनिशिंग ऑल माई वर्क, ऑफिस का काम, एंड 2 कॉफ़ीज़ पिए, विच इज़ फाइन यार. 2 कॉफ़ीज़ एंड पूरा दिन. लंच नहीं किया है अभी, ऑफकोर्स आई हैव टू फिगर आउट. एंड द स्टाफ हियर, दे आर वेरी स्वीट, दे आर वेरी काइंड, and I'm going to take you through, and thank you for being there with me in this video. ऐसा literally मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that I'm actually talking to you all, and that's how we build the community, and that's how I'm glad that I've been able to have you all, and have the opportunity to shoot it for you all. This is the cute little cafe slash bar counter where they make amazing coffees. Guys, do you want to say hi in my vlog? Hello. Can you please tell my viewers to can you tell the viewers to subscribe to my channel?
Yeah, please.
Sharmila Kalekar.
Sharmila
Kalekar, that's my surname. Kalekar, K-A-R.
Kalika.
Yes. Guys, thank you. It was a lovely experience. So this is how the cafe and the bar counter is. It's very cute. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of this area as well, which is very beautiful. And that's the very pretty girl there working. Thank you. So bye-bye. So this is how it is, guys. ऐसे बढ़ाना पड़ता है subscribers. Just joking. But yeah, I think it's just good, to the fact that you get to meet people. एक बस आपको एक sneak peek दिखाऊंगी. This is in Discovery Gardens Center is what this whole area is. This place is called, also called as Pavilion. यहाँ पे you'll have all different supermarket है, Carrefour, and you have nice. Show you what all is here in the center. That's in Katrina. It's a cafe. You get amazing cakes. ये भी perfect, of course. And Lafa, guys, आप लोग को I'm going to really do one vlog only for Lafa, because Lafa has the best shawarmas. I don't feel like eating shawarma. नहीं तो मैं आज ही ये vlog में add कर देती. But we will do. We have a lot more coming, guys. So you've got to stay tuned. So this is how the whole center looks like. So yes, I have come out. अभी बस cab तो मिल नहीं रही है. So I'm going to mostly book my cab and head home. And I think this is it from my side in today's vlog. Thank you so much for being around. And if I have to give like a quick honest review on Aurum Cafe, it is good. It's good price wise, ambience wise is very beautiful. They have amazing coffees. They have amazing mocktails. They do not serve alcohol. And it is an Arabic cafe. मुझे लगा था, I think मैंने ये बोल दिया, मुझे लगा था it's an Egyptian cafe. यार सब almost same ही लगते हैं यहाँ पे. But this is a proper Arabic cafe, and you get they do. But other than that, it's nice. हमें ये कैफ़े एक्चुअली हमारे फ्रेंड प्रसन्ना ने recommend किया था. So प्रसन्ना, if you are watching this, thank you. He had recommended, and we did not even know about this cafe until Prasanna had actually got us here. So it's really nice. Had a good time, had a busy day, had to finish my work. I'm glad I finished some really important tasks. And yes, thank you so much. Do stick around for my upcoming vlogs. There are some more exciting ones. अगर आप मेरी शक्ल देख के बोर हो गए हो, no problem, get used to it. Because you're going to see more of me. And yes, abhi weekend aa raha hai, so we have to plan on what we're going to do for the weekend. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and thank you so much for your support. I can see all the lovely comments, and trust me, it means a lot, all of your encouraging words. And thank you guys. Stick around, and we'll see you in my next vlog.